Okay, y'all, now we're gonna see what the reach is on this thing. We're gonna measure it. We're also gonna dig down and we're gonna see, of course, it's gonna be way out and then I'll hardly get any dirt. And then we're gonna see how far straight down it can go from the blade. Let's measure and find out. Okay, y'all. Fire this thing up, see what the reach capacity is. Capacity. Now this shouldn't really count like this, but let me get the tape measure. I think I lost it. Oh, I'm losing everything, y'all. All right. That is not a very far reach. Okay, let's check it. Let's see what we got on the reach. And we're going from the bucket, not the tracks, okay? We ain't going back from there either. That's just to be on the safe side of, you know, not tipping it over. So, here's what we got. We've got 7 foot is what the reach is. Let me show y'all. We'll get it up close. That is 7 foot, not 8 foot. Now it's probably another 8 foot back to where the bucket actually connects, the boom and everything connects back there. So yeah, it's about another foot to the bucket right there, or to the hydraulic piece right there, to the bolt. But to be on the safe side, you want to have this blade down when you're digging. So that's what we're doing. We're only going to measure up to right here on the blade. And of course we ain't going to get that whole 7 foot either. All right, let's find out how deep it goes, y'all. Hello, Curie. Let's get this thing fired up. First of all, let's get all these leaves out of the way. Okay, y'all, here is the depth that this little thing can go. It's basically 5, maybe 5'2", but we're gonna say 5 foot is the max digging depth on this thing. So it ain't like it's gonna dig down 7 foot, it's only gonna dig down 5 foot. I mean, it does pretty good, don't get me wrong. That's a bunch of rock. Let me show you all this stuff it pulled out of here. I mean, I had to dig through rock too. I don't know if y'all can see that black sandstone, but it is sandstone. It ain't real hard rock. But I had to dig through a bunch of it. So, you can probably push it to 5'2", because I am, or 5.5 foot, because I am kind of up a little higher right there on the ground. And this side actually says 5.5 foot, I think. Let's double check that, y'all. Let's double check. That's a deep little hole right there, ain't it? All right, let's put this back down in here and we'll check right here to that ground. Well, track who? Yeah, it should be about the same height, y'all. Okay, let's find out. 5'2". Nope, 5'2". Man, I can't get a better angle than that, y'all. But 5'2". I say 5 foot. Be on the safe side. Sorry, the camera's a little shaky, but what we're gonna do, and here's the size of rocks that we're dealing with. I couldn't finish digging this right here from right there to here. There's a bunch of big rocks right there, and that's why I just took the hole straight down. So you know it's got a 7 foot reach, and it'll just, like, you know, just curl back in through there. So that's what you're gonna get. And these are decent sized rocks. I mean, they ain't too small. This one is even bigger. Here's my foot. Give you an idea. He'll pull out bigger rocks. I already did it. You saw if you look back in the videos, you'll see the tree stump I pulled out. So that's pretty good. The ground is awful dry right now. We did hit a little moisture down in there, but not a whole lot. We're still in a drought right now, so after it rains, it should be a lot better to try to dig all this. But now, we got a big old pile of dirt. We're going to cover back up this hole. I just dug this for y'all so y'all could see the digging depth on it. You can see all the layers we hit down through there too, I think. Might be able to see it on the camera. I was hitting something hard right there. But that way y'all know on this machine, I still got to do the review on the machine. But you know its reach and its digging depth. And it does jar you pretty good. All right, y'all, let's get this covered up. We're going to time lapse it though. All right, y'all, got it all covered up. Took roughly about 10 minutes, I want to say. Went pretty smooth, didn't have no issues. Covering it up, kind of tracked it in tad a little bit. Didn't get the smoothest, but that's okay. Anyways, y'all, that's going to be it on this one. Y'all enjoy. Have a good day. We will see you all on the next one.